So what's up everyone, back again with another vlog, and well, my first vlog actually, and my cat's just waiting to see y'all guys.
I told you guys I'm not a shoe expert. I don't know much about shoes. I just buy them. I think it looks nice, and you can take these off. By the way, which I might do that, but I think these are my favorite ones. Pretty sick, but dude, honestly, my addiction is that when I step foot in a mall.
There's my hoverboard. Gotta pick up my Cheetos.
I don't have to buy something, but that's
So,
what I do. Like it's so bad, guys. I don't know. Tell me why.
My brother over there doing musically. You guys want a Cheeto?
What are you doing, this kid? But yeah, so every time I go to the mall, I always I don't walk out like
I'm
I
watching
walk out with
Phase
like
Rub.
either 3 bags, 2 bags, 4 bags, 5 bags, depending on the day,
So,
depending on what I find. Like
I don't know what this vlog's gonna be.
shoes and like
Yo, dog. Hey, Zoe. Just Zoe. Here's my doggy. Yeah, my little doggy. Well, big doggy. Husky. Siberian husky. Come on. Come on. Let's look for my other cat. Oh yeah, here's my wall that I'm getting painted for my new room. Well, it's pretty much done already, but there's that, and so that's what it's supposed to look like right there. But I don't know if it's gonna look exact like, well, y'all tell me in the comments below if y'all think it looks like that, or at least close enough to that. So I'm gonna exit this room. Oh, crap. Oh, my cat was over here. Where is Abby? I don't know. Abby knocked that tree over. There's my lampshade. There's that tree. I should probably turn it off since it's not Christmas. Well, I'm gonna leave it on anyways, whatever. I don't care. I'm gonna leave it on that mode though. So yeah. There's that. There's my doggy again. There's my dad. Where's my doggy? Where's my other doggy? Where's my other doggy? There's my drone. Well, there's my cat again. Hey, say something to the vlog. Hey, have you seen the cat anywhere? No, not him. Abby. I'm not looking for my cat's name. My cat's name is pretty funny. Wow. Everyone laughs at it at school when I tell them that. I say my cat's name is Xbox because that's what my cat's name really is. And they just laugh and laugh and laugh. I don't know why. I don't like my cat being made fun of. Yeah. Tell me in the comments below if you have a cat or a dog. Alright. So let's move on. Hoverboard. What? Found her? How about up here? Nope. Ain't got much in there either.
To come back to see who made court. Eventually.
Well, let's see. Oh, crap. Yeah, no, I can't see under there.
Surrounded by 16-foot seawalls. It was very risky. Any major glitch, any lines in the channel,
There's Xbox. There's Xbox. Find your sister. Come on, let's find your sister. Abby?
But basically, you guys don't know what indicator is. Basically, this magic genie right here giving me a pretty weird death stare. He can guess any person that you're thinking of and gonna ask you questions about them.
What time is it? 12:05? Should I take my hoverboard off charging?
Right into it, and I don't know why we have to put our age though.
No.
Let's just do this, okay? Alright guys, so
Because I started. Whatever, I'm just gonna take it off anyways. Because it's already been 2 hours.
Yes. You can no.
Let's unplug this.
From YouTube, yes. No.
No.
Yes. No.
Turn it on. Okay, we're good and charged. Oh.
Yes. I'm kind of like a baby, but you know. Ooh, yes. Yes. Oh, that's me, guys. Let's go. It got me. All right. Wait, can I put a picture of myself or something? Yep, he got me. All right, we're gonna play again. Okay. Let's try to go for my
hoverboard.
brother. We're gonna see if Baconator knows who my brother is.
Play hoverboard wars.
Yes.
Don't.
No. No. Hold on, no.
So let's play some hoverboard wars.
No. No. Yes. No.
Hey.
Oh shit, that's weird. Okay, yes.
Well, I guess my brother doesn't want to play hoverboard wars.
What the hell? This is so weird.
If you don't know what hoverboard wars are, dang, I can't even say my words right today. Oh, it's actually it's actually nighttime.
Shit, that's pretty cool.
What am I doing?
We're gonna play again this time. Alright, guys, now we're gonna try to guess Bosley. Okay, Bosley's my dog. If they know that,
hold
if
up.
he guesses my dog,
I guess that should be the end of this vlog. What? Wait, no. Nope, we're still going. Yeet.
No.
Yeah, we're still going. I just don't know how he likes ice in his tea. I just can't stand that. Wanna say something? Say something? You wanna say something? Huh? Oh. I'll crouch down on my hoverboard, yeah. Looking at my cat and following him. Let's go back in this room. Little chair thingies. Oh, that's why I'm starting the channel.
They said your father, but I was going for like Papa Rug.
Yeah, I'm new.
See if they know Mama Rug, okay?
Yeah, I'm new. You're on YouTube?
Yes.
I had an old channel, I just can't reconnect to it.
Say yes. Yes. No. Yes. No. No. I mean, I don't consider myself famous, but like, I guess I don't know, I'm just gonna say yes. Yes. Yeah, my mom has kind of like an accent. Oh, shit, they got her. Mama Rug, dude, that's awesome. Damn, they know, Akinator knows my whole family except my dad. Alright, let's do temper. I don't know if this fucker can hear me right here, but we're gonna do his temper. Okay, if he can still hear me. Okay, we're gonna do temper. He said yes. No. Yes. Yeah, I think he is.
Well.
Here, no. Nope.
thinking that's going to be the end of this vlog today.
Encrypted bin at the top of
So,
the chart. Yeah.
I will see y'all.
Saying exterminate. Or no.
I will see y'all all later. Bye.
Green gloves, no.